So what do I do? This poor little guy or girl, bird, just flew right into the slider. Oh, there you go. Open up the eye. I mean, they're alive, but they were on the deck. I don't know if they broke something or they just knocked themselves silly. This is sad because I don't know what to do to help them. I mean, the breathing looks kind of heavy, but I haven't seen a bird up this close before, so I don't know. Not sure what to do. Sucks, just like with animals, dogs and cats, you can't read them. Oh, you're looking at me now. Are you okay? You gonna fly off? You just got knocked a little crazy? I guess your eye opening is good. You're famous. Yeah. You okay? Damn. What would you do, YouTube? Have you ever had this? I mean, birds fly into sliders and windows all the time. Have you ever been this lucky to catch one alive? And I don't know what to do. I mean, there's not really much I can do, I guess, because I don't know what's wrong with it, if anything. So, well, let me know your experiences if you've been through this. And of course, because it's YouTube, like and subscribe, please. All right. Hey, little guy, girl, person, bird, thing. All right, YouTube. Peace.